All right. So company X bought a motor vehicle at 62,000 kwacha on the 1st of May 2022. Depreciation is charged 20% at cost. Calculate the depreciation expense at 31st December 2022 and 31st December 2023. Show extracts from the statement of profit or loss and the balance sheet. I forgot to put balance sheet here. All right. So first things first, depreciation is charged at 20%. Charge 20% at cost. All right. So let's first tabulate the depreciation expense. So the depreciation expense. So this is also the straight line method. So the depreciation expense is always going to be constant. Now, this depreciation expense that we are calculating, this is the yearly charge. Okay, this is the yearly depreciation expense charge. Okay, so we're going to say it is depreciation expense 20%, 20 over 100 of 62,000. All right, let's get our calculators. 20% of 62,000 is 12,400. All right, this is the yearly depreciation expense, 12,400. Now, this company bought this car on the 1st of May. All right, and want the depreciation expense at 31st December 2022. So from 1st May to 31st December 2022, how many months do we have? So say May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We have 8 months. Okay. So since we already have the yearly charge for the depreciation, let's calculate the monthly charge. All right. So to get the monthly charge of the depreciation, so this is the yearly 12,400. And the monthly charge, we just divide 12,400 by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So monthly charge, 12,400 divided by 12. So 12,400 divided by 12. That's 1,033.333. So we'll just round it off. So that's 1,033.3. We'll just round it off to one decimal place. All right. 1,033 kwacha per month. This is the monthly charge. So this machine we bought it on the 1st of May up to the 31st December. That's 8 months. So 8 times 1,033. Get 8,266.6.7 actually. 8,266.7 kwacha. So this is our depreciation expense. All right. So our journal entry for the 31st December Or adjusting journal entry 31st December 2022. We are going to debit the depreciation expense 8,266. Let's say 8,266.7. Right, and then we'll credit accumulated depreciation 8,266.7. So on our statement of profit or loss, for the year 2022, 31st December 2022, all right, under expenses, after you found your gross profit, then you say deduct less expenses, you're going to see the depreciation charge, or depreciation expense, 8,266.7. Then on the balance sheet, again, you're going to have balance sheet for statement of financial position for 2022. Cost, accumulated depreciation, net book value. All right. So this machine, so say this is a motor vehicle or the car, whichever you prefer. Cost 62,000. Accumulated depreciation 8,266.1. So 62,000 minus 8,266.1, you get 53,733.9. Yes. So that's the extracts from the statement of profit or loss and the balance sheet. Any questions before we go to 31st December 2023? All right. So for the next year, December 2023, all right, the depreciation expense is going to be this 12,400, all right, because the whole year has been used up. So this will be the depreciation expense, all right. So for 31st December 2023, this is for year two. 2023. Journal entry will be debit depreciation expense 12,400. And then accumulated depreciation, you credit 12,400. For the extract of the statement of profit or loss, this will be your depreciation expense, 12,000. right? This one here in the debit goes to the statement of profit or loss, 12,000. Then, on the balance sheet, accumulated depreciation, right? So we're going to say this 12,400 plus this 8,266. Because if you remember, the T account for accumulated depreciation, right? In year one, which is 2022, we debited 8,266.7. That's year one. Year two, we're crediting it to 12,400. Okay, so 8,266.7 plus 12,400, you get 20,600 and 20,666.7. Okay, 20,666.7. So, on the balance sheet for 2023, all right, cost, you're going to put here 62,000. Accumulated depreciation, you are going to put 20,666.7. Right, so 62,000 minus 20,666.7, we get 41,333.3. This is the net book value, the year 2023, as of 31st December 2023.